Hi everybody, I'm Doug from the Service Department at Hucks Marine and Resort, here with another edition in our video series on how to maintain and upgrade the look and performance of your boat every summer. Whatever the size of your boat, one of the best parts of being at the helm is that feeling of control, knowing where you are on the water with charts and depth readings and how your engine's performing at all times. Today's multi-function displays really do make your ownership experience even better on the water. This video will show how we performed a Garmin GPS installation on our customer's Rossiter 23. So let's get to it. From simple GPS units in smaller boats to more complex installations in cruisers and flybridge boats, our certified Garmin and Raymarine technicians can take your boating experience to another level. If you're interested in an electronics upgrade, please give us a call at this number. Check our website, hucks.ca, and of course our YouTube channel has all our service videos showing what we can do when you're not enjoying your boat. I'm Doug from the Service Department at Hucks Marine and Resort. We'll see you on the water.